Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can use check-ins on your iPhone. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your message box on your iPhone. Now add a new message and type down the person name from your contact to send the message or just to use check-ins on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on that plus icon right near the message box. Now scroll all the way down and tap on check-in. So once you do that, you can add a comment and you can write whatever you want and just send it. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can use check-ins on your iPhone. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.